Extremely bullish markets here in the crypto space, guys. We saw it. We saw the Bitcoin ETF approved. As a result, Bitcoin is going parabolic. But I do personally think, despite all this bullishness, we are seeing at least close to the next ceiling here for Bitcoin. And I do think we will see a bearish reversal here at some point. So welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you are all doing wonderful. Hope you're enjoying this crypto pump and hopefully you made some gains recently. Now, if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe, like, comment, and let's just talk about Bitcoin to begin with, because we can see over the last 7 days here, we were in that sort of doubtful scenario, sitting around $44,000, where we were kind of pending the ETF approvals, and we're getting the delays, not much was really happening, and we can see, of course, we got that massive breakout here, and we can see Bitcoin breaking out of this resistance that we were talking about, and this was effectively the Bitcoin ETF resistance, this 44.5k region, and we can see we have just blasted up to 47.8. Now, $51,000 is the next huge target. If we do touch that 51k mark, it could be very quick. It could be a very transient moment where we then come back down, because we have a significant amount of resistance around these $50,000 regions. Now, I do think it is possible to see a correction in the markets, maybe still coming back down to lower regions of $40,000, if not maybe even the sort of mid to low $30,000 as well for Bitcoin. These numbers are definitely possible, which would be your second chance to get into Bitcoin before it does hit those parabolic hypermania stages in the crypto space. So what a great month here for crypto. What a good looking week as well. And of course, on the day, everything is looking euphoric and very strong at the moment. So here in this video, 5 altcoins that you don't want to potentially miss out on. Remember, this is not financial advice, but these are 5 coins that I think will keep on pushing and looking strong over the next few weeks and months. First one is going to be OP, Optimism, Scaling, Ethereum, right? Nice stuff right here. $3.643 billion market capitalization, and the last week has been super bullish here, from the lows of $3 up to $3.81, even touching the $4 mark. So the last month we have seen those $2 lows as well, but since we are seeing Bitcoin ETF and Bitcoin pump and Ethereum start to pump, when ETH pumps, you're going to see coins like Polygon, Optimism also begin pumping. So keep your eyes peeled on Optimism, guys. I've got a very key level here. Now, again, it's yin and yang, and two things can happen here, because if we start getting ETH ETFs as well, but if we actually see some bullish momentum here, some continuation for Optimism, and we break through this kind of bull flag that we can see here, we could see another leg up to potentially $7. I don't know if $7 will 100% happen, but the first pragmatic target is actually around about $4, $7, and $5. So the $5 mark is definitely a big one here for Optimism. If we do correct and you're looking for dollar cost averaging to really fill your bags, the areas I've got in mind, point of interest, is between $1.90 and also $2.23. So sort of $1.90 to $2.20 for OP. These are levels that I am buying back into the project. But we could actually get a huge blast off very soon for this coin. So keep your eyes peeled on it. It's been a very fruitful last few weeks here for OP. We're looking at a 3x since this last dip here. So the next coin, number 2, is going to be Say. We've had a great time with the Say coin. If you've been following my channel over the last few weeks, you are up about 7x on this particular token right here. So well done if you did get into Say when we called it. And you can see right now we're sitting at $0.77 here for Say, $1.767 billion market cap, rank 48 coin. Now, it's been trading in this beautiful looking ascending channel, but just recently we did lose the support on this particular channel, and what we can see now is we did have a little lull, a little corrective phase down to the 0.58, and then we've got an impulse now to the upside. So we're following again another bullish looking trajectory. I don't know how sustainable this is. We do have quite a large sell wick right here. You can see that sell wick, but you know, ultimately this is all tagging along to the Bitcoin rally. And the thing is, if Bitcoin dominance goes up too much, we won't really see the altcoins pump. But I think overall, you know, even this coin right here, Say, still looks like it's got another chance to do something very, very bullish. Did break through this key resistance here, which is basically hovering on it right now, $0.76, which is a support level now. But you can see we are getting quite a mixed feel here. We're getting a lot of selling pressure, but also a lot of buying pressure in these lows. So if we can just consolidate at this range, I think it'll look good. But overall targets for Say come the next 6 to 12 months, you know, we're looking at easily $3 to $6 for Say coin, and I really do think we will see price levels like this. Don't chase the green candles whilst we are sitting a little bit overbought on the RSI, remember, and there will be dollar cost average opportunities coming up for this particular coin. Now, if you're a trader out there, guys, and you want to explore some trading signals, I did open some more Crypto Legend slots, and there are just 6 available. There are 7 Crypto Champion slots available as well. If you want to try this out now, we deliver over 500 trading signals per month with the top package, and all these trading signals you can find down below in the Discord, like here, for example, where you're going to get the entries, the take profits, the stop losses, the leverage to use, and things like this. So these are all the signals that go straight into the Discord for you guys to enjoy and hopefully make some juicy profits in the market. You can see recently traders are making some huge gains in the markets, and it's really good to see all these green numbers here. Of course, we are not 100% accurate, that's impossible, but if you want trading signals, the link is down below to my Patreon. Do check it out. And whilst you're there, if you want to sign up to MEXC exchange and do some trading, take advantage of the volatility coming up in the crypto markets, use my link down below to sign up to MEXC, no KYC. And of course, this will help you trade and surf through the crypto markets, because the more trades you make, the more potential rewards that you can also get. Now, moving on to coin number 3 will be Ethereum, because Ethereum, you know, we can speculate that what if we actually get, you know, ETH ETFs? BlackRock had previously filed an S1 form of the US Securities and Exchange, SEC, basically for its iShares Ethereum Trust. A spot Ether exchange traded fund ETF could actually happen. Now, of course, this would make it easier for big companies out there to add Ethereum to their balance sheets, and just the overall accessibility for Ethereum. Now, there is a crazy pump that we can see right here on the weekly. We are overbought, guys. So remember, wait for the cool down, wait for the correction. Don't FOMO in to these sort of things. But when Ethereum does cool back down a bit, we look at this RSI, we can see maybe we're sort of targeting a 40 RSI on the daily time frame. When ETH does cool down, it's a good time for me and other people to potentially be getting in around that $2,000 mark if we do see a retracement down to these levels. Right now, it's seriously overbought, looking a little bit euphoric. In fact, the whole entire crypto markets are looking quite overextended, and I don't know how sustainable these buys will potentially be, because, you know, we're starting to see patterns like this one here, a falling wedge pattern. But remember, when things go south, when things go fearful, don't forget these tokens to potentially dollar cost average into, because these are the ones that you want to be holding long term, the ones that look strong and solid long term and have loads of fundamental value. Ethereum in the long term, where do I think this coin is going to go? Well, absolutely $2,800 is a target that we need to be looking at soon, because, well, we're nearly there already. But when it comes to the next major crypto bull run, the big target that we've drawn in for ourselves over here actually takes us to $11,000. So we're still looking at a potential 4x from the current price here for Ethereum. If you do like Ethereum and you're bullish on that, like this video, let us know down in the comments. Coin number 4, ladies and gents, will be a new token that has not launched yet. It's Bitcoin Minetrix, tokenizing cloud mining in the crypto space, where you can effectively cloud mine Bitcoin by deploying their software. So this is a coin that's not yet on exchanges, it's not on DEX or centralized exchange, but it will be soon and eventually. So if you're looking to get into a new coin, this could be one that might potentially 2, 3, 4, 5x your money. Remember, this is not financial advice, but I've already got my $2,000 worth of this token. They've raised 8.2 million, and you can see the next price increase will be at $9.1 million. So it's a pretty cool project. Stake to mine, you can see they've got 79% APY rewards. 528.3 million of these tokens are being staked. So there's also a staking platform here where you can actually get some APY on the side. And additionally, they have a $30,000 giveaway, and you can enter that if you click my link down below to the Minetrix Pro Sale website. you can actually get yourself entered to this particular giveaway if you want to. That's completely up to you. If you want to grab the coin, that's also up to you. Could do well with Bitcoin pumping so damn hard right now. They've got 17.2k followers, recently celebrating $8 million raised, and yeah, the community is getting rather excited. Coin number 5 in this video will be Aptos, $9.25 price right now, and we've got a $2.8 billion market capital. Overall, the previous market capital time high was actually recent at $3.28 billion, but we're seeing a lot of positive trajectory for this coin right now, and we had a local high recently of $10.90, so we are in a bit of a corrective phase here. I do think Aptos has some leg room for an $11.50 short-term price target that could happen soon, so another pump from this little lull that we're seeing in the markets. Now remember guys, the more cryptos pump, the more risky it becomes, right? So the upside potential reduces as we see these coins pump more and more. So try not to FOMO in, even though we are seeing an outrageously bullish market right now. You can see just over the last 7 days, we've seen from 1.61 trillion up to a $1.81 trillion market. Now, when we look at the valuation of this compared to the previous bull run itself, we were sitting at around $2.8 trillion in November of 2021, and we're literally just $1 trillion away. So it's going to happen soon. If you want to be part of the journey, make sure you subscribe, get yourself down into the Jacob Crypto Clan Discord, and yeah, thank you for watching this channel guys. Make sure you check out Mindtricks whilst you're at it, and consider becoming a patron if you want to unlock some awesome trading signals. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Stay crypto safe, ladies and gents, and bye for now. Let's see what's going to happen. I'll be back for more videos soon, and yeah, thank you for checking out this video. Peace.